fucking screaming. That's what you were.
Well, you're probably wondering what the hell you just watched. That right there was my friend Brady running across a gap because he, in quote, thought he saw someone. He did, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, today I decided to change up the video style and mix it around. I'm also using an AI character if that wasn't obvious. Today we got Will, myself, Brady, and Aaron all together to go night airsofting. The day wasn't considerably slow, but it also didn't have a lot happening besides when you can't see. So I'll try and make it work.
Okay, so someone go over to there, someone stay here, and then someone...
I can stay here.
I'll head over there then. Aaron, you stay far range. What's up, guys? Oh yeah, I got some new adjustments on. Just me.
Where are you?
Defender. Same team. Is there still guys in there?
What?
Is there still guys in there? Okay, just checking.
I'm pretty sure. Wait, are you the team that can only shoot on the hip?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get across. Watch over here. Never mind, you couldn't do that. What's going on?
Going across behind the red.
Scope them down, come on.
Yeah, well, I can't tell where they're at because they're running across. They're kind of on the right side.
Oh, I see what you mean over there.
Yeah, behind the train.
Okay, I'm gonna trust Will to cover me. I'm looking this way.
Where do you want me to touch?
Watch. Wooden barrier right there.
Barrier?
Yeah. Which they're shooting from, and I almost just got domed. Ooh.
That's so powerful.
Did that hit anybody?
No.
Okay, good. It would have hurt if it did.
Yeah.
See him?
No, we got shot.
That way somewhere though.
Yeah, no shit.
Okay, kill yourself. Commit suicide, guys. What's happening here? Run across. There's an attacker over there. Move in, Brady. What the hell are you doing? Okay. Proceed. Brady, and see it. Look, here, look. You can see the tracer system. Look.
Oh, yeah. I thought you said you could see the enemies.
Don't do that. Didn't get hit, but. Come on, that's way. I'm gonna go back with our teammates. Just keep. Well, hold on. Let's add a few more balls each time because I want. I'm trying to clip fun. Where are they going? Oh shit! I see one. I see him.
His head is eking out. Is that enemy?
Huh?
Is that enemy right there?
I don't know. Shoot him and find out.
Well, I don't. They're running the opposite way, so I'm guessing.
Where'd you think he was?
Cherry picker.
Cherry picker.
He went inside.
I'm low-key an idiot for doing this. Will, if I were you, I have a feeling they're going to push around this way. So crouch down and aim that way.
Do what?
Crouch down and aim that way.
Like that way?
That way.
Why that way?
Because I guarantee you they're going to start pushing around this way because they're getting desperate. Because they're running out of time. Sun looks pretty. Cool.
I'm gonna just sit down with you. Smart.
Let's see what we got on the system here. I see the Speedsoft, by the way. It's over there.
Wait, what is Speedsoft? Is it just running?
It's faster airsoft in closer vicinity. I'm not a fan. Loki sucks to play. I played it like twice. Alright, we'll watch my back. I'm gonna straight across here. Steering gear up. Aaron, you keep scaring the shit out of me with your sniper. Ooh, watch out, watch out. How the hell did that not hit me? Did you get hit?
Yeah.
Sure it wasn't ricochet? That's a dude. Okay. Will. I'd run this way and we're gonna push back. You gotta be fast though. Wait. Run across this way. Fast. Now.
Striker?
We're gonna push into the building behind you.
Where do I go?
Just run across.
There's people looking both ways through this window. 2 directions.
Not gonna hold this.
My pits are sweaty.
We're sorry. Leave us alone. Go away. I'll give you money.
One's in bus, I think.
Yeah, no shit.
Well, I know someone's in bus, but I don't know if they're our teammate or not. Because someone's been in there for a while.
Just show your flag.
Why the fuck did you do that?
That's my favorite.
If they didn't say that, that means. Yeah, okay, I don't think they're friendly guys.
Oh, my baby.
Hey! Ow! Ow! That hurt! We're hit! Oh man, that hurt! We're hit! Dang, we're hit! Please don't shoot. Ow!
Okay.
Fire! Don't shoot! Don't.
Oh, by the way, gay.
Suggestions? No.
Oh, by the way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, facing the front 45. There's a guy's heading my way.
So just like right there.
Get closer and put your gun slightly over the edge.
To the edge like this.
No, way closer. Go up to the window. The odds of them shooting you through those stairs are so unlikely, it's actually insane.
Okay.
Literally just, yeah, get close, because then they won't be able to shoot from there. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I can turn it into a shotgun if I just keep pulling it back, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's one heck of a...
I don't know where they're going to be coming, hopefully. Let's see. I saw one. Fuck. Oh, there's a minute. He's there. I don't want to get hit. My arm hurts so bad. Okay. We have not working here. And yes, I can see it in a weird accent.
Yeah, he's fire zombie.
Oh,
Very nice.
okay. All right, well.
That's good.
Crazy angle.
What?
Here. Will trade me for a minute. Trade me.
Like watch your spot.
Mm-hmm. bipods ain't doing what I want them to. Sorry. So the bipods ain't doing what I wanted them to.
I like this position more.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, he's on our team. Try to obliterate that dude. Oh, screw things too. Huh?
There's a blinking sniper up there.
Oh no, but oh. Call of Duty. Let's go in the middle. Thought the top of that came off. I was about to be so pissed. I'm scared to swap. Here, hold up, Will. Keep your gun down. I'm gonna.
Spraying from. I can't tell where it's spraying from.
Somewhere over here. Yeah.
How's like the general direction?
I'm gonna flip around this corner. You can take my spot.
We getting shot at.
Oh, my bad, bro.
What?
That's red. Where are these guys? Like, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna try and say this quick before it comes, but I looked to the left and then to the right, and I saw that dude running before. That's so BS. I didn't even realize that. You're about to see what I mean.
My bad, bro. I said sorry. Don't do that. There's a guy near the van, peeping out the side. There's someone over there. I genuinely have no idea where these guys are. Look at me.
Let's push.
Does anyone know where they are?
No, do you want to push with us?
Sure. Can I get a fish?
What's the right?
What's this one, bro?
Sorry, I can't do it.
Anyone, guys? Anyone?
People don't come down the middle.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's because they're trying
Well, I looked left and I looked right, and there was nobody there. I accidentally. know there are people there, but they brought the fact that they're assume there's a guy there too.
I have zero idea what the hell happened to this footage right here, but I got one more kill. You're kind of just gonna have to take my word for it. And I died once.
Nah, there's two. I think there's two guys over there. No, it is only one.
Yo, Michael's sitting in the corner again.
Was he?
I like this one. Yeah!
Prince here. Oh wait, will that start? I think Aaron should watch right there. Here, Aaron, go right there and lay down and then poke it through the railing.
You should throw the fire extinguisher at them.
My goal is to die fast, so I don't have to
Get lit up.
Sit on the ground like you're
Go right there and then lay down facing that way. Huh? Why not? You just lay your feet out right here. Yeah.
So you want me pointing that way? I don't think I can shoot them.
Yeah, like I said, lay down, put your barrel right on that, then aim that way.
I don't think I can shoot them that close.
You don't? No, that's a Connex away. You could shoot him from right there.
And if you're gonna move, say.
When you die, you have to throw the grenade in here.
I don't think. I only have the big grenades, remember?
But that's exactly why you should throw it in here.
No, you just can't use the explosive ones. You just can't use the explosive ones like this. The ones that have explosives in them.
Because it's noisy.
Not. You can use the spring-loaded ones. You can use smokes. Can't use
So
the
you
bullet.
don't have a spring-loaded one?
Huh?
You don't have a spring-loaded one?
I have a spring-loaded one right here.
Then use it. No, I didn't. Keep your hand off that window.
I'm good though.
That was super fun part. I don't know how to die.
Yeah, right there.
That's nice.
What are we doing over here?
You know, one of us
Miss.
died last time we had the game mode.
Huh?
Didn't we win this one?
I remember how we died last time we had that game mode.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, I was laying down out there. I got shot in the face. You were huddling in a corner the entire time. And
Oh,
the minute
yeah,
you put
I
your head
didn't
around
die.
that, they get shot in the face.
Here or like there? I think you're.
No, you're sitting in that corner when I do this.
Then right here. Huh? No one can shoot me unless they do.
That's lame. I want to get shot.
I don't want to get shot. That shit hurts.
Okay, I can't even lie. The fact that this is the last one that you could actually see, like, well, I'm very, very disappointed with how it ended up. Especially with the fact that the rest of the rounds were really fun. But it's alright. I'm going to put a map of GoAirheads on the left while the footage is on the right, or vice versa. And I'll try and either point out and just draw on there the best I can on what's happening. Anyway, a lot of the rest of the rounds are relatively actually good footage. You just can't see very much, but it's alright. I'll make it work. And sorry I'm talking so quietly, but it is late at night and I don't want to wake anyone up.
Night vision. I don't know. Well, I have zero idea if this thing's gonna be able to see at all. We'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna keep my flashlight on most of the round unless I absolutely need to turn it off.
You're just gonna see a bunch of blue and red dots.
Yeah. Then shoot for him. I have no idea where I'm going in this side. I'm literally blind in half of my vision.
I'm blind in all my vision.
I can see on the left, but I think you gotta be touching the bus. Brady and Will are on the other team. What the hell? When did they add that?
I don't know. Does it start?
Yeah, man. And I'm pointing at your face.
I know, but I can still see
It's all the way
it.
down here.
I'm saying, like, it was...
The only problem with the...
Why is it so red?
Huh? Because it uses light to reflect. Yeah.
Alright, what are we gonna do?
Going this way. Ooh, lick speed's off. What'd you say? Yeah. Keep losing my red dot. Orb show. Oh shit. I don't know where Aaron went. Oh shit. Can't see anything on the night vision. No, still nothing. The fact I managed to push this far up is a miracle.
Oh shit, not good.
What is that? Order show. Oh shit. Pit! Ooh, ow. Pit! Ooh, that
I messed up the map a little bit there. Don't worry about it.
my arm. Man, it's exposed. I just hit, they like lit up. Ow. Oh. Got my arm hit finally. Ow. Ouch. That crap hurts. Do not go bare skin on your arm. That hurt. And I moved really far up too. I was a while up there.
Well, what continued to happen is we got continuously spawn peaked over and over, and if I actually counted it, I got like 8 kills that round and like 12 deaths because they surrounded our entire spawn and they ended up winning. I'm not going to count any of them because of the fact it was spawn camping, neither kills nor deaths, so it should be even. But just when they start spawn camping us, not the kill I got right there or the death I got right there. Alright, before this next round started, this was probably my favorite round of the day to play, and it seems like most of the group agreed with it. But, it's probably where most of the stuff happened, and I'll still have to do the map thing because there are parts where it is, like, impossible to see. You'll see. It's cool and worth watching, though.
Be behind us.
They're over there. I low-key am an idiot. I don't know why I went back over here.
I tried telling you guys.
The second floor is loud.
No idea. I want to just don't go for it.
The other guy, night vision, told me that he could see the zombies over here.
Yeah, probably. Damn, that's a bright flashlight. Y'all want to go in there? I feel like that's safer.
Oh, that was scary. Don't do that again.
That's one of them, I think.
Is there a hold switch or just a button on
Huh?
the light? Is it a hold or a
It's a button. I didn't want to go with holding because it always ruins my battery or messes with it. I think we should go in there.
In there?
In there.
Why?
Safer, more cover.
Okay, well, we heard shots, so we kind of know where their general.
Let's let them bait it. All right, let's go. What is that?
We heard the zombies are loving us, they won't kill me.
What?
What'd you say?
We'll write them 11 notes so they don't kill me.
That's pretty smart, honestly.
This is creepy as shit. I can't even lie.
Please don't shoot me.
Dude, this is actually scary as hell.
Yeah, I don't know where the hell they are.
They're invisible and they fall.
Freddie, you watch Backside.
Wait, they didn't have to have the light on?
No.
Oh,
Their lights pull on.
Wait, they don't have lights?
that's terrifying.
That is so gay.
Yeah, that's.
Don't shoot me! I'll give you $20.
Where?
Wait, right over there? Oh no. I mean, after it.
See him.
Are they over there?
I'm just waiting to hear shots die.
I'm terrified.
Stand.
I'm trying to figure out a good way that we could line this up so we all have eyes on every
Just
direction.
go behind Flower Tower.
What are you doing, Brady?
Surrendering?
No, get your arm down, you pussy.
Leo, why don't you just go behind Flower Tower?
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Why?
Because they don't have lights and they could be over there.
Are they loud?
Do you really want to move to Flower Tower?
I don't want to.
Well, yeah, it's because you're a wussy.
Well, there's people over
Aaron?
You said you don't want to
Yeah, we
either.
got bait.
Huh?
I'm fine with anything, so.
Alright. Y'all want to go for it?
I'm not that.
There's people right there ready to drown us.
Still.
I'm watching over here.
This is terrifying. I'm watching your six. I love making myself obvious.
Stay over there. Wussy. Fuck, what are you screaming? That's supposed to be a word.
There's someone in there, there's someone in there.
In where?
Look, this one's over right next to you.
The enemy positions I'm about to put up, I'm not 100% sure are accurate or not, but like, they're where I think they might have been based off of what I saw later.
They're invisible, they fall.
I don't care if they're invisible.
What?
Oh, I'm saying keep reading.
Hold up, shut up you guys for a sec. No shooting? None at all?
What?
There's no shooting.
That's not good.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know if that's a... Someone's over here.
That's my short mission ability.
There's one over there.
Shoot at them, guys.
I don't know where they are, I can't see them.
Where you see yourself in there?
Yeah, I can hear them. I saw their bullets.
Oh, there's someone's light. Look, someone's shining the light. Don't shoot me, man. Oh, shit. I'm just gonna push him away.
Don't care. If I get shot, I get shot. Man, this is gonna be terrifying footage. I can't even lie. Shut up, Brady.
I don't know what to say, man. What am I supposed to say?
Wait, I'm confused. How does it work if I die?
You turn red.
I just turn red?
Yeah.
You turn orange and then once
Only
you turn
alphas
red.
are invisible.
Where do you respawn at again?
I think it's anywhere.
Response, I think? I don't know. Ask her up.
I think you have to go away from where you were.
There's someone over there.
That's terrifying.
Sorry, Brady.
Don't do that on me, guys.
Oh shit, not good.
That's it. Right.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hey, please give us.
What
Everyone's
the?
good.
You're so.
Okay, change your color, change color.
I'm working on it. Chill out. We're the last ones alive. That's kind of insane.
Hey, they're coming to one second.
Well, if you have made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I wish I could add a kill counter or something, but I am running out of time on this video, and I would like to add it onto YouTube quick. I'm gonna try and get something that'll actually make it easier to tell that I actually was hitting the shots I was saying I was hitting. I don't have a lot of proof for that, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like and subscribe.